Greetings from National Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2017 Maserati Ghibli. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel, show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice vehicle. Loaded up, beautiful condition. Pirelli tires all the way around. Really in outstanding shape. Let's give it a quick walk around here, and we'll show you panel by panel the condition of the vehicle. Okay, let's start up with the front bumper. Front bumper's in outstanding shape. Look at that, beautiful condition. Grille, all the sensors, everything looks amazing. Take a look at those lights. Really in beautiful condition, look at that. Grille's in outstanding shape. Take a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Front fender on the passenger side looks amazing. Super clean, very nice. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the passenger door in the front. Beautiful condition. Rear door in the back, also in outstanding condition. Very nice. Really outstanding shape. Look at the paint on this thing. Quarter panel, also in outstanding condition. Very nice. Rear bumper with parking sensors, also in amazing condition. Take a look at the rear lights, also in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Look at this. Very nice. Look at the trunk on it. Looks amazing. Really outstanding condition. Rear glass is in beautiful shape. Very nice. Let's take a look at the roof. This one has a sunroof on it. Beautiful condition throughout. Look at that. Glass looks amazing. Roof looks in amazing condition. Take a look at the windshield, also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really nice condition. Super clean. All right, let's take a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Also in amazing condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in amazing condition. Very nice. Driver door, also in amazing condition. Look at that. Super clean, nothing to show. Really nice condition. Front fender, driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Looks super clean. Very nice. Can't get any better than this. 2017, 68,000 miles. Beautiful condition inside and out. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. Really in outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in outstanding condition. Beautiful shape. Take a look at that. Very nice condition. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Look at that wood accent also. Controls are in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Very nice. Outstanding condition all the way through. Beautiful shape. Full set of rugs. Looks brand new. Dashboard, steering wheel in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Beautiful condition throughout. Look at the armrest. Look at the controls. Very nice. Got white stitching there on the black. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really nice condition. Does have a little blemish here in the center. Nothing major. It's not cut or anything. It just has some scrape there. Besides that, looks good. Full set of floor mats. This one still has the cover on it, the plastic cover on it. Looks brand new. Dashboard, everything's in amazing condition. Very nice. Here we are looking at the driver's side rear door panel. Outstanding condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Look at the armrest. Controls for the rear. Very nice. Look at that stitching, really nice detailed on these seats. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in outstanding condition. Really outstanding shape, super clean. Take a look at the rear seats. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. Full set of floor mats. Very nice. Take a look here. Center console has some AC vents there to the back. Beautiful condition throughout. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Looks brand new. Okay, we're all set to take this Maserati for a little test drive. We already have it in gear here, just waiting for a chance to pull out. Accelerates really nice, feels really good. Feels nice and smooth. Okay, we got the light here. Be back in 1 second. Okay, let's continue our test drive. The light just changed. Takes off really nice, feels super smooth. Really nice drive. Drives perfect. Alright, that's pretty much going to conclude our test right here. As you can see, everything's fully functional, no issues at all. No lights or anything. Feels great. Really nice drive. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the trunk area and take a look at those tires. We're taking a look at the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a quick look here. Very nice. It's got a power plug there in case you're going to charge something or whatever. In the back here, look at that. It's got a little air pump there. And it's got the spare down there on the bottom. Look at that. Very, very nice. All the tools, everything. Really nice condition. Okay, we're going ahead and taking a look at the engine compartment on this Maserati. Beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Let's take a close look here. Really beautiful condition, man. Super, super clean. All the plastics look perfect. The cover's in outstanding shape. Engine looks amazing. Very nice. Really beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. We're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Look at the tire tread on there. Very nice. Pirelli tire, rims in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Does have a little bit of imperfection here on the finish, but besides that, it looks amazing. We're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition, looks brand new. Look at the tire tread on there. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a couple little imperfections here on the finish. Besides that, looks amazing. Okay, we're looking at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Look at the tread on there. Very nice. Rim is clean and beautiful shape. Really in great condition overall. Take a look. Really nice condition. Does have a couple little marks here on the rim, no big deal. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in great condition. Does have a little bit of imperfection here on the clear. Besides that, looks beautiful. Very nice. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2017 Maserati Ghibli 4-door sedan. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Can't get any better than this. Super clean. Really in outstanding shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. National Auto Sale LLC.com. Thanks for watching.